सर्वेभ्यः पुनः स्वागतम्। वयम् इदानीं सप्तमकक्षायाः रुचिरा पाठ्यपुस्तके सदाचारः इति पाठस्य अभ्यासं कुर्वन्तः स्मः। इदानीम् अग्रिम उदाहरणं पश्यामः। रेखाङ्कितानि पदानि आधृत्य प्रश्ननिर्माणं कुरुत। रेखाङ्कितानि पदानि आधृत्य प्रश्ननिर्माणं कुरुत. It means depending upon the underlined words, please frame questions. So as I told you already, to frame the question you must have the previous knowledge of that word. First of all, you should be in a position to find whether this word belongs to Pullinga, Strilinga or Napumsakalinga, and if you know the linga of this word, then again you should be in a position to find out in which vibhakti it is there. As we know, there are 7 vibhaktis are there. You must be in a position to find out it is in which vibhakti, and next you should be in a position to know whether it belongs to Ekavachana, Dvivachana and Bahuvachana. As you are in the 7th class, your knowledge is very little and you need to work little hard, and you will understand this as the days progress. First of all, I will tell you with examples and with reasons why we are framing the questions like this. First of all, let me read all these sentences. प्रथमं वाक्यं मृत्युः न प्रतीक्षते। मृत्युः न प्रतीक्षते। ख कलहं कृत्वा नरः दुःखी भवति। ग पितरं कर्मणा सेवेत। घ व्यवहारे मृदुता श्रेयसी। ञ सर्वदा व्यवहारे ऋजुता विधेया। मृत्युः न प्रतीक्षते। Here मृत्युः is there. मृत्युः is there. उकारंत पुल्लिंगः. As you know, रामः अथवा बालकः is अकारन्तः पुल्लिंगः. हरिः is इकारंत पुल्लिंगः. गुरुः is उकारंत पुल्लिंगः. Like this, मृत्युः is उकारंत पुल्लिंगः. उकारंत पुल्लिंगः प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनम. Just like, if you want to know correctly, just like बालकः न प्रतीक्षते is there, what will you make? Same. कः न प्रतीक्षते, because बालकः is there. So like this, मृत्युः न प्रतीक्षते. अध्यापकः पाठयति, then you will make कः पाठयति. गुरुः पाठयति, then also you should make कः पाठयति. Like that, मृत्युः न प्रतीक्षते. You must frame the question as कः न प्रतीक्षते. Is it clear? Next, कलहं कृत्वा नरः दुःखी भवति. कलहं, कलहः, कलहौ, कलहाः, कलहं द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनं पुल्लिंगे अस्ति. तस्मात् कः कौके कं कं कृत्वा नरः दुःखी भवति. कं कृत्वा नरः दुःखी भवति. कं question is next. पितरं कर्मणा सेवेत. पितृ शब्दः. पिता, पितरौ, पितरः, पितरं द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनम्. अतः पितरं कर्मणा सेवेत. कं कर्मणा सेवेत. नेक्स्ट, व्यवहारे मृदुता श्रेयसी. मृदुता लता इतिवत्. लता लते लताः इतिवत्र काके काः. व्यवहारे मृदुता श्रेयसी. व्यवहारे का श्रेयसी. का इति। सर्वदा व्यवहारे रुजुता विधेया. Now again, just like mruduta, don't take here, there also a is there, sarvada a is there. No, sarvada is the word which is related to the time. Whatever is related to the time, we always say kada. If it is related to the number, it is kati. Is it? Then sarvada means kada vyavahare रुजुता विधेया. इदानीम् उत्तराणि पश्यामः. प्लीज नोट डाउन द क्वेश्चन्स, हाउ टू फ्रेम द क्वेश्चन्स. कः न प्रतीक्षते, किं कृत्वा नरः दुःखी भवति, कं कर्मणा सेवेत, व्यवहारे का श्रेयसी, कदा व्यवहारे रुजुता विधेया. Shall we move to the next exercise? Okay, I'll give you some time. Please note down the answers. कः न प्रतीक्षते, किं कृत्वा नरः दुःखी भवति, कं कर्मणा सेवेत, व्यवहारे का श्रेयसी, कदा व्यवहारे रुजुता विधेया. कदा व्यवहारे रुजुता विधेया इति. इदानीम् अनन्तराभ्यासं पश्यामः. प्रश्नमध्ये त्रीणि क्रियापदानि सन्ति. तानि प्रयुज्य सार्थकवाक्यानि रचयत. सार्थवाक्यानि meaningful sentences. There are three things are given: bruyat, syat and seveta. Here is a print mistake. Seveta, halanta is not there in the seveta. So bruyat means speak. Syat, it may happen, हो सकता है. सेवेता, सर्व, आश्रयितव्यः इत्यर्थः. So understood? ब्रूयात means speak. Please speak something. स्यात्, it may happen. Next, seveta, serve. So like this, these are all the sentences. Out of these three, you should take one verb and make it meaningful one. For example, anrutam priyam cha na bruyat. Anrutam priyam cha na bruyat is the correct one. If you put syat, seveta, that becomes wrong. Anrutam, lie. Priyam, what is liked. Cha na bruyat. You should not speak the lie which makes somebody happy. Almost all the lies make man happy. So lie makes man happy, so that you should not keep on lying in front of others. Vyavahare sarvada audaryam syat. There may be in the business, always you should be generous. Shreshtham janam karmana seveta. Shrestha janam karmana seveta. Vyavahare kadachana kautilyam nasyat. You should not do the crookedness in your business. Anrutam priyancha na bruyat. Vyavahare sarvada audaryam syat. Shrestha janam karmana seveta. Vyavahare sarvada kautilyam nasyat. Shall we see the remaining sentences? Idanim तदनन्तरवाक्यानि पश्यामः. सत्यम् अप्रियञ्च न ब्रूयात्. सत्यम् satyam, print mistake is there, satyam apriyancha na bruyat, vacha gurum seveta, vacha gurum seveta, satyam priyancha bruyat, satyam priyancha bruyat, manasa mataram pitaranch seveta, manasa mataram pitarancha seveta. Once again, satyam apriyancha na bruyat, vacha gurum seveta, satyam priyancha bruyat, manasa mataram pitarancha seveta. Shall we move to the next exercise? Anantara abhyasaha evam asti. Manjushatah avyayapadaani chitva riktasthanani purayata. Below are the given sentences, words. With the help of these words, fill in the blanks. So first of all, you need to know the words very well before you fill the blanks. Tatha, vaisa, jaise karni vaisi barni, vaisa. Tatha means like that. Na, no, don't. Kadachana, never. Sada, always. Cha, and. Api, also. Api, also. Once again I will tell you. Tatha, vaisa, like that. Na, no, don't. Kadachana, never. Sada, always. Cha, and api, also. Idanim vakyani pashyamah. Bhaktah dash Ishwaram smarati. A good devotee remembers God dash. What? Always, of course. He always remembers the God. That's why Sada. Asatyam dash vaktavyam. Lie dash spoken. Lie should not be. Don't speak lie. Is it? That's why don't speak lie. Don't say that asatyam sada vaktavyam. Sentence is correct, but the context is not correct. Asatyam sada vaktavyam means always speak lie. No, never speak. Never speak lie. Priyam dash satyam vadet. Priyam tatha satyam vadet. Lata medha dash vidyalayam gacchataha. Lata and medha. And medha. And is the answer cha. Api means kya? Are you? Are you? We use are. Is it a helping verb? Are, no? Like that. Are you happy? Like that. Api kushali bhavan. Are you fine? Api kushali bhavan. Are you fine? Mahatma Gandhi kadachana ahimsam na atyajat. Mahatma Gandhi never ahimsam. Ahimsam means what? Ahimsa means non-violence. Mahatma Gandhi never lived non-violence. That means always he followed non-violence, never encouraged the violence. So let us encourage non-violence. Let us live peaceful. Bhavatu Shubhadinam, Bhavatu Anudinam. Dhanyavadah.